The Air series by DJI comprises versatile consumer drones equipped with cameras, designed to enable creators to capture stunning aerial content with a portable, compact, and foldable aircraft. After years of anticipation and speculation, the Air 3 has been officially released, confirming that all the rumors were indeed accurate. Join us as we share our thoughts on this new drone and explore why it has the potential to be the best drone of 2023. The Air 3 features a dual camera setup at the front and resembles the Mavic 3, rather than the Air 2 and Air 2S. Its design maintains the frog-like appearance and retains the foldable feature, making it compact for travel. Notably, the arms are slimmer. The all-black camera module sits snugly over the gimbal, enabling low-angle shots, and the body incorporates omnidirectional sensors for obstacle detection. Now, in terms of weight, the Air 3 is notably heavier than the Air 2S, weighing 720 grams compared to 595 grams. This weight increase is attributed mainly to the new 4,241 mAh batteries, weighing 267 grams more than the entire Mini 3 Pro. DJI claims that these high-capacity batteries will get a remarkable flight time of 46 minutes, although in real-world use, you can expect approximately 35 minutes. The Air 3 also boasts an updated gimbal unit, now shielded by a sturdy semi-transparent plastic cover, similar to the one found on the Mini 3 Pro. This new cover effectively secures the gimbal during transport, though not as elegantly as the Mavic 3's muzzle cover. Nevertheless, it securely clips into place and can be easily removed. Design-wise, it's nothing out of the box, just the tested and effective upgrades, which is actually a good thing. Here, DJI has introduced significant enhancements and new features to the Air 3 drone, making it more versatile and safer for flying. The key upgrades include 2 cameras, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and O4 video transmission. To summarize, the Air 3 boasts a wide-angle camera and a 3x medium telecamera, both capable of capturing 48-megapixel photos and shooting 4K and 60 FPS HDR videos. These cameras have some remarkable features, but the real fun lies in the details. So the wide-angle camera has a 1 and 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with a 24mm format equivalent and a f1.7 aperture. On the other hand, the 3x medium telecamera also features a 1 and 1.3-inch CMOS sensor offering a 70mm format equivalent and an f2.8 aperture. Both cameras support dual native ISO for direct output of 4K 60 FPS HDR video at high frame rates, and they also provide support for 10-bit D-Log-M and 10-bit HLG color modes. One notable addition to the Air 3 is its ability to shoot 2.7K vertical videos with a 9:16 aspect ratio, allowing for easy sharing on social media platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok without the need for cropping. In addition to this, the drone offers impressive video modes such as focus track, master shots, night mode, and hyperlapse. In slow motion mode, you can shoot 4K UHD at 100 FPS and FHD at 200 FPS, which is incredibly exciting for creative video possibilities. We really can't deny the fact that you'll find everything that you need from a drone for your shots. 2 cameras could have easily become a gimmicky thing, but DJI kept things under control. Kudos. At this stage of DJI's drone lineup, you really can't go wrong with any choice. All their flagship drones now provide a minimum of 4K 60 FPS video and support up to 48-megapixel photo capture. Additionally, DJI's entire range delivers exceptional picture quality, ease of use, and reliability that surpasses what other manufacturers offer. The decision ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If safety and a reasonable price are your priorities, we highly recommend considering the Air 3. This drone offers a comprehensive set of features that make you feel like you're flying a premium, top-of-the-line device without straining your budget too much. Surprisingly, it even competes favorably with the Mavic 3 Pro in terms of features. The most important aspect influencing your decision would be the price tag itself. The Air 3 is available for as low as $1,099, making it an impressive and well-rounded drone choice.